Hi guys, welcome back to this YouTube channel to have another trade recap of today. We are the Friday 23 January 2026 and I just got this trade here, a long trade on Nasdaq, and I will do a breakdown of the analysis of today, why I took this position, my entry level, partial level, and finally the trailing stop that get me out of this position before reaching the level. So first things, we go to the analysis. You can see here in my trading journal I wanted to be bullish because we have the POC of the composite above and we are in the compressed range in 1 hour time frame with value IRA high and value IRA low. So I wanted to take a mean reversal model, value IRA low to value IRA high. So first is this one. You can see the range in a 1 hour time frame just into the new week opening gap. So I marked my level in green here. You have the value area low, and in red here the final target value IRA high. So this is the first thing. The second thing is here on the composites and cash session profile. You can see that we are in the middle of the fair value and the POC of the composite is just above us. So it was my target, because here we try to find new value lower, but we got a rejection of that level here, find new value higher here. So I wanted to longs towards this POC of the composites. This is the second piece of information, and here we have the 1 minute chart. Just before the opening I wanted to see the value IRA low in a 1 hour time frame acting as a support towards the value IRA high. Now that everything is clear, we can go to the chart here. Okay, so as you can see, you have the value IRA low here in a 1 hour time frame that we just talked before. I will put it in green, and this is the level I wanted to see a reaction to buy. And here, as you can see, we almost at the point of control of the composite. So the analysis was great, and now I will explain to you what I saw and what I did. So just before the opening of the session, I put my volume profile here on all this range, and I mark up my areas. So here you have the value IRA high of that level, the POC here, and as well the value IRA low. And this is what I saw. It was a very interesting setup. So when the price opened at 9:30 is here. This is this candle here. We can see that we have a little bit move higher, and then the sellers take control and came back into the range. So just here we can see that we came back into the range very aggressively, and we also came back into the value IRA low of all this range. And we can also see here a lot of delta aggression from the sellers here in the discount area, with two big players here and here entering the market without having any result, because you can see that we the candle after these sellers goes up. So this is an absorption pattern. These sellers was absorbed by aggressive buyers. We came back into the value IRA high of this range, and then we dropped a second time into the value IRA low in a 1 hour time frame. But you can see here on that specific candle, this is a bearish candle, and we have an aggressive buyers recovering all this pressure, and the next free candle shows some bullish interest. So here is my entry. You can see here the little arrow with the 2. I put my stop loss below the value IRA low in a 1 hour time frame because I was all my confirmation. We made a failed auction to the downside, and we break again higher with some support here on the value IRA low. And we have a lot of aggression from the buyers here that you can see with the delta. And this delta is in the value IRA low, showing some bullish interest. So I took my entry here, and you can see that the price just skyrocket to my take profit. I took one partial here at this high to secure some profit, and I was right, because you can see these big buyers with 223 contract, and this one with 85 was absorbed, and we came back all the way down here. But here I saw this pattern in second time, absorption of the sellers, aggressive buyers here, and we continue straight up to the next area here, this compression area. We can put a profile, and we have the POC just there, and the POC we got some resistance with a lot of big players here, also here. So from here I trail my stop loss below this level. You can see trailing stop, and the arrow is just here. You can see that it was my exit for that trade, and for now we continue higher, because as you can see my final target is here, the POC of the composite, and I think by the end of the day we're gonna reach that level. It's extremely bullish. So yeah, a pretty good trade for risk to reward ratio. Very nice to finish the week. So pretty good week. Thank you for seeing this recap video of the trade, and if you want to see more like this, just tell me and I will do more. Thank you very much. Nice weekend, nice work, nice backtesting, guys, and see you in the next one.